Hi guys, welcome to Gardening Escape with Sarup. In this episode, I will show you how to germinate lotus seeds and how to plant after successful germination. So let's jump right in and learn the art of growing lotus in pots. On this table, I have some lotus seeds that are about the size of peas. Usually the seeds are quite hard and that helps the seeds to remain viable for many years. So, breaking that hard seed coat is most important for successful germination. But how do you break the seed coat? Easy, use a sandpaper and scratch the seed. But first we need to know which seeds are viable and which aren't. Put the seeds into a bowl of water and instantly viable seeds will drown. Take those seeds for germination. If you look closely, you will notice one side is pointy and other side is round. We will scratch this round end until white seed flesh is revealed. See, the seed coat is breached, but I will remove some more with a tweezer to ease out the germination process. Finally, place the seeds into clean water. Keep changing the water at every 2 days interval until roots come out from the seed. Within 3 to 4 days, seeds will sprout, and after 7 days, it will be ready to transplant into final pot. Now it's time for transplanting. New gardeners always get confused with what soil mix they should use. Should it be rich with manures? Well, not really. Just take 90% normal garden soil and 10% vermicompost. Mix both these ingredients with little amount of water. The reason behind premixing water is soil mix will firmly grab the lotus roots right from the start. Also, it will prevent water from getting dirty when we add water after transplantation. Now, carefully place the seedling into a small hole and cover with soil. As the plant is quite small, I will water accordingly. Once leaves get bigger, gradually add more water. In about a week, this plant will settle down nicely and will start producing more leaves. We don't need to change water just yet. Only if the water looks dirty, then it should be changed. As soon as you notice new leaves, start feeding with 1 gram NPK 19-19-19. In another episode, I will try to discuss about feeding and pest management. Let me know if you have any suggestions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe Gardening Escape for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.